Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're staring at that frustrating F40 error on your Miele dishwasher from 2025, don't panic. We're going to tackle this head-on together. This error usually points to a water intake issue, like a blockage or a faulty valve, which can stop your dishwasher from filling up properly. Stick with me, and I'll guide you through a simple, step-by-step fix that could save you a pricey service call. First things first, safety is key. Make sure your dishwasher is unplugged or turned off at the circuit breaker to avoid any electrical mishaps. Once that's done, let's start with the basics. Check your water supply. Ensure the tap connected to your dishwasher is fully open and that there's no kink in the inlet hose. It's amazing how often a simple oversight like this causes the problem. Next, inspect the inlet hose for any blockages or damage. Give it a thorough look and feel for clogs or leaks. If everything seems fine there, move on to the filter. Locate the filter at the bottom of your dishwasher. It's usually under the lower spray arm. Remove it, rinse it under warm water to clear out any food particles or debris, and make sure it's completely dry before putting it back. Now, for a quick reset, press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds, or try unplugging the machine for a few minutes and then plugging it back in. This can often clear temporary glitches. Run a test cycle to see if the F40 error has vanished. If these steps don't do the trick, it might be time to call in a professional, as the issue could involve a faulty water inlet valve or something more complex. Remember, regular maintenance like cleaning the filter monthly can prevent these errors in the future. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy home fixes. Let's keep those dishes sparkling clean.